Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to center a div tag. Let's begin the video.
Let's see what is the Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepare you for career in tech. It has a many courses designed for freshers and workers, professionals, and also for a woman who is no tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and help you to become an amazing stack developer. It also has a network of more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So once the training is completed, Newton schools ensure that its students are placed with some of the best companies in the country. And the best part of this, Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you do not have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you have placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's have a look at Newton School Launchpad. Launchpad is an institute taken by Newton School for people who want to start coding from scratch and learn the basics different programming languages for absolutely free of cost. The video will be available in the Launchpad sections of the Newton School. There you can participate several quiz and assignment related to this course.
So in today's video we are going to make this div tag into center by using three methods. Let's talk about your first method. So here is a simple HTML boilerplate. First we will add the one div tag, and class of this div tag we will give main box. You can give any name to it. So add the another div tag. So the class name of this div tag will be box, and we will add the demo text inside our box. For that we will use our h1 tag, our heading tag. Let's add some demo text, and let's close this div tags. Let's close your main div tag. So now our HTML code is ready. Now we will add our universal selector, and we will make the padding 0 and also margin 0, and box sizing we will give border box. So you can see that nothing is happened till now. So first we will style our main box for, because it is a class, so we will have to use the dot main class, sorry, box. Let's style it. We will give width 100 wh, and height we will give 100 vh. Sorry, here we have to give 100 vw. And let's add the background color. Let's add this for the demo. So you can see that only till then this has happened, nothing is happened till now. Let's style our box class. The first technique we will using position. The position will be relative, and height will be 16 vh, and width will be also 16 VW. And position absolute, and also the, so now we get the 4 option, which is sides option. So first we will add the our left, because we want 50% from the left. You can see that now it's take the from the 50%. So now we will add the 50% from the top, or we will choose the top 50%. Now you can see this, it's come in upside. We take 50% from the above side and 50% from the below sides, so it's come in this corner. So now we have to center it. For that we will going to use transfer function. Transfer, translate, we have to take in the middle, so we'll minus the 50%, so comma minus 50%. Let's add the background color to our another data. Add this lemon color. So you can see this come in the center using your first method. So now we will take the look at your second method. First of all, I will erase your first method code. That's erasing. Now you can see this come to this side. So again we make it to the center. So let's use the display flex and make the justify content center, and also we will make align item center. So see this, only in 3 code of line our second two tag come into the center. In the first method we use around 4 to 5 lines to make the center. In our second method we only use the 3 lines of code to make this center. So now take the look at our third method. So let's take a look at our third method. I will erase the code of second method code. So in this method we are going to add only 2 lines of code to make our div tag into center. You can take a look at this. This come to this side. So let's add it. Let's make the display grid. We are making the div tag in center by using the grids, and at the place item center. Now you can see this, our second div tag is come to the center by using only 2 lines of code, which is display grid and place item center. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts related to this video, then make sure to comment it out. I will solve your all the doubts in the comment section. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video update.